a mention memo, serial number 930 by 2023. The appellant was convicted under Section 7 of the PC Act, and the bail period will be ended on 28th August.
Give it, it will come Monday.
Not this week period, because 28.
Yes.
Kindly any date this week.
Yes, sir.
Item 2, man.
Wait.
My plots.
It is a file IF for intermediate extension 1 month time alert. The earlier your lordship directed 3 months, that will surrender the right time alert. Second, your lordship granted bail in 3 month interim bail mail. Now he is ready to surrender my lord because his health condition is very poor. I am filing medical prescription my lord, only praying for 1 month time alert. Surrender. And 5 years already complete my lord. All the accused are released on bail. Sorry. IA number 1123 of 23. This is an application. Today is the last day, for extension of interim bail period of for 1 month. After going through the amendments taken in the interim application and hearing the Grand Counsel for the both the sides, I am not inclined to extend the interim bail order. It is made clear, it is stated that the interim bail period expires today. If the petitioner doesn't surrender in the court below, as per the order dated so and so, immediate steps shall be taken in accordance with law to arrest him, and also proceedings shall be initiated against the bailers. Order be communicated to the London Trial Court. I hear disposed of.
May please your lordship. My lord, in that inadvertently 435 by IPC has not been mentioned in the order sheet, my lord. Another prayer, lordship directed expeditiously.
IA number 1153 of 23. This is an application for modification of the order dated 14/7/2023. The Land Council for the petitioner submitted that even though one of the offences under which the case has been registered is under section 435 of the Indian Penal Code, but inadvertently in the third subparagraph of the order where offences have been noted down, the said offence has been omitted. The same may be added. Considering the Learning Council for the state has no objection to such prayer, considering the submission in the third subparagraph of the order dated 14/7/2023, the offence under section 435 shall also be read in addition to the offences mentioned in the said paragraph. You have the time is over.
Over, my
So you surrender by end of this month.
My lord, only prayer मारे expeditiously जगह रहिबो on same day, my lord.
Sorry, the surrender period is extended till end of this month. The rest part of the order remains unaltered. IA is disposed of.
Okay.
Yeah.
May I please, your lords? This appellant has been convicted
Today is 23rd. Cross-examination continued on 23rd. Why are you not using that word on? Continued on. I'll say dot dots cut. Okay. So live streaming on kari both never. Ready? Please stay put.
ମୁଁ ନିୟମ କରି କହୁଛି ଯାହା କହିବି ସତ କହିବି ମିଛ କହିବି ନାହିଁ କିଛି ଲୁଚାଇବି ନାହିଁ ଈଶ୍ୱର ମୋତେ ସହାୟ
Please take your seat. Water is available.
सर ଆପଣ 2019ର ଯୋଉ ଇଲେକ୍ସନ ପିଟିସନ ଇଲେକ୍ସନ ପାଇଁ ନମିନେସନ ଫାଇଲ କଲେ ତ ଆପଣ ଚାରିଟା ସେଟ୍ ଅଫ ନମିନେସନ ଫାଇଲ କରିଥିଲେ which are marked as exhibit 39 40 41 and 42 correct
ଦେଖିବା ଟିକେ
ଆଜ୍ଞା
$39.
40 41 and 42
I have filed 4 sets of nomination papers to contest the election from 90 Baravati Cuttack constituency, assembly constituency को तो which have already been marked as exhibit 39, 40, 41 and 42.
42.
Yes.
2009.
In this one, so in 2019 what?
Held
Held in
held
the year 2019.
ଆଜ୍ଞା। ଆପଣଙ୍କ ନମିନେସନ ପେପର ସାଙ୍ଗରେ 4 sets of affidavit ଆପଣ ଫାଇଲ କରିଛନ୍ତି in form 26.
Yes.
Along with my nomination papers, I had filed 4 sets of affidavits in form 26.
Which are marked as exhibits.
Which have been marked as
exhibits 43, 44, 40.
exhibits 43,
43, 44, 45 and 46.
44. Please take your seat. Please take your seat. Please take your seat. Please take your seat. Please. Yes, next. Yes.
46. No, these have been marked as exhibits 43, 44.
No, I don't allow the vital questions to be interrupted in that way. Yes, please follow.
ଆପଣ ଦେଖିନିଅନ୍ତୁ ଟିକେ ଆଜ୍ଞା ଦେଖିବେ।
এইটা সেকেন্ডে দিয়া ହେଇନଥିଲା।
ଆଜ୍ଞା।
This nomination, this affidavit.
No question, further question has been put. Yes, ask the question.
ଏଟା ଆପଣ 4 ଏଇ affidavit ଗୁରା ଫାଇଲ କରିଥିଲେ 43, 44, 45 and 46.
Next question, please.
Next question ହେଲା ଆଜ୍ଞା ଆପଣ ଟିକେ ଦେଖିବେ exhibit 43 ଟା। Is this the original affidavit you have filed in form 26? Exhibit 43.
This I submitted on 4th 2019.
But is this that original affidavit you have signed on filed on 4/4/2019 in form 26?
Yes.
Exhibit 43 is the original affidavit which I have filed.
My lord.
Yes.
Second ରେ ମୁଁ nomination file କଲି
No. Question has been put to you whether Exhibit 43 is the original affidavit filed by you.
This is the final affidavit after checklist.
Exhibit 43 is the original and final affidavit like diyantu, filed on 4/4/2019.
ଆଜ୍ଞା ଟିକେ ଆପଣ exhibits 44, 45 and 46 ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ. These are not original affidavits but Xerox copies. Filed along with your nominations.
Xerox copies, second, third, fourth set.
Second, third, fourth. But these are Xerox copies. These are not the original affidavits.
Original affidavit to Xerox copy, truly attested, signed by a notary.
Exhibit 44, 45 and 46 are not the original affidavits but true copies of the affidavits.
Xerox copy.
Xerox copies of the affidavit which have been attested as true copies.
Attested by notary as
Attested by the notary as true copy.
ତାମାନେ ଆପଣ ଗୋଟିଏ original affidavit ଦାଖଲ କରିଛନ୍ତି which is form 26 ରେ which is exhibit 43 ଆଉ ତିନିଟା Xerox copy ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି.
ଆଉ ତିନିଟା true copy
attested Xerox copies ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି.
I have filed one original affidavit, that is Exhibit 43, and 3 true copies of the affidavits, that is Exhibit 44, 45 and Exhibit 46, along with my nomination papers.
Sir, এই ଯୋଉ ଚାରିଟା affidavit ଆପଣ କହୁଛନ୍ତି true copy, so the contents of all the 4 affidavits are same.
Yes.
The contents of all the affidavits, that is Exhibit 43, 44, 45 and 46 are same.
ମୁକିମ ବାବୁ ଆପଣ ଆମ exhibits ଗୁରା ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ, ଅଲଗା କିଛି ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ. ଆମ exhibits ନା ଅଲଗା କଣ ଇଏ ଦେଖୁଛନ୍ତି, ଆପଣ ଆମର exhibits ଗୁରା ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ. ଆଜ୍ଞା, section 33 appeared.
When they are referring any section, please go through minutely because they will put the question. Joti bujhi na paribe, you can ask them again. Yes. Who section refer kurchandi?
Section 33 again, 33A2. 33A2.
A2.
33A, it's deals with right to information.
Yes.
And 2 is the candidate or his proposer. Say what proposer.
Again.
Okay.
Provide the candidate or
please
his
read it
proposer.
out. No, let him read first. Then you put the questions.
Sir, my lord.
33A2 provides the candidate or his proposer, as the case may be, shall at the time of delivering to the RO the nomination paper under subsection 1 of section 33 also deliver an affidavit sworn by the candidate in a prescribed form. ठीक ଅଛି sir? Correct? Now, any provision ଆପଣ ଦେଖେଇ ପାରିବେ RP Act ରେ ଯେ ଆପଣ ଗୋଟେ Xerox copy ଦେଇ ପାରିବେ ଆପଣଙ୍କ nomination ଯୋଉ ବି ଆପଣ ତ 4ଟା set nomination file କଲେ ନା, अलगा सेट रे आपण जेरॉक्स कॉपी देई परिबे? इज देयर एनी प्रोविजन इन द आरपी एक्ट
Not
or
not
conduct
Xerox
of election
copy, not
rules?
the Xerox copy. It's the
True
copy,
attested
copy.
Xerox copy. Mu mana konu. True attested. Is there any provision under the RP Act, conduct of election rules, or any instructions to the election to the ROs of the Election Commission of India that you can file photocopies of true photocopies
ମୁଁ
of
କହିପାରିବିନି, advocate କହିବେ।
ଆପଣ
I
କହିପାରିବେ?
cannot say whether a candidate is permitted to file true copy of the affidavit along with his nomination paper filed under subsection 1 of section 33 before the returning officer. Stop. Yes.
Sir, you are an educated person. ଆପଣ affidavit ଟା ଦେଲେ sir. Affidavit ଆପଣ ନିଶ୍ଚିତ पूरा verify କରିକିରି you have furnished correct information in the affidavit.
Yes.
Before filing the affidavit, I had carefully gone through the same ଏବଂ ଯାହା ଆପଣ ଉଲ୍ଲେଖ କରିଛନ୍ତି ସେଟା ଠିକ ଥିଲା ବୋଲି ଜାଣିକିନି ଆପଣ ଦସ୍ତଖତ କଲେ ଏବଂ ସତ୍ୟପାଠ କଲେ।
କିଛି typographical mistake ଥିଲା, ପରେ ମୁଁ ତାକୁ କହିବି, କିନ୍ତୁ
ନାଇଁ
overall ସବୁ ଠିକ ଥିଲା।
ନାଇଁ ଆପଣ ଯେତେବେଳେ ମୁଁ କହୁଛି ଫାଇଲିଂ ସେ ପଚାରୁଛନ୍ତି, ଯେତେବେଳେ ଫାଇଲିଂ ହେଇସାରିଥିବ ସେଗୁଡା ସବୁ ଓଭର ହେଇଯାଇଥିବ ନା, ଆପଣ ଯାହା ବି କରେକ୍ସନ କରିକିନି କରିଥିବେ କରିକିନି ମାନେ डिपोजिट करबा पूर्व सबमिशन करबा पूर्व जहा करेक्शन हबा कथा सब हे जाइतला,
सब हे जाइतला, टिके गोडिटा टाइपोग्राफिकल मिस्टेक ताइप रहि जाई कि परे मु लोकेट करथि।
नै नै आपन क्वेश्चन टा होची जे एफिडेविट कला पूर्वरु बा एफिडेविट कला बेले आपन केयरफुली आपन तो कहिले केयरफुली गॉन थ्रू द सेम एंड जो केयरफुली गले ताकू देखिले सब ठीक ठाक अच्छी ना नहीं भूलभाल अच्छी भी जानी कि नहीं फाइल कले
माने ये जो
आपन that is why the question has been asked that you are an educated person and you said also that you have gone carefully through the affidavit, so जेतेबेले carefully आपन तादियो को सब पढ़िले आपन हृदबोध हैला कि जे जहा आपनकर निज सत्य पाठ रे लिखा हिची जोटा कि आपन नोटारी पाखरे करिवा को जाउछंती सत्य सब ठीक अच्छा, and being satisfied that it contains correct facts, it contains CONTAIN contains correct facts, comma facts. I shown affidavit before the notary public. Notary पाखरे करथिले तो before the notary public.
सर आपन को एफिडेविट टा
को एफिडेविट प्लीज
43 एग्जिबिट 43
एग्जिबिट
जोटा रेफर करियो सेटा स्पेसिफिक जोन नै नै आपण 43 ऊपर क्वेश्चन पचारिबे 43 टा हैंड ओवर करंतु तांकू मते तार गोटे जदी कॉपी अछि दियन
इटा 45
नो
43
43 देखि जोन मार्क हेतिबो फर्स्ट बी सैटिस्फाइड दैट इट इज 43
हला
अपन देखिए
इज इट 43 हां यस एटा 44
44 45 46 अपन देखि 43
अच्छा
तांको देखि
ओके कोटा से
सर-
पढ़िबे कोंतु आगे
सर आपण को नारे at the time of filing nomination, criminal cases are pending against you.
So you are referring to which paragraph?
Sir,
Page 3,
page 3.
Page 3.
clause 5.
Just a minute. Page 3 re clause 5. Yes.
Upon against some criminal cases are pending against you. So
Yes,
at
my
the
lord.
time of filing.
At the time of filing of the nomination papers, some criminal cases were pending against me. Stop.
Sir,
8
5
ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ
1 टा टिके देखिए सर.
हाँ, कोटा
5-1.
5 page 3 clause 5 small Roman 1.
Roman 1. पढ़ी दियंतु सेटा.
I declare there is no pending criminal case against me. आपण लिखिछंती not applicable.
Not applicable. Take this alternative. There is no criminal cases pending against the candidate, and write not applicable against the alternative that is below, or the following cases are pending against me.
Sir, आपण जो declaration देले, I declare that there is no pending criminal case against me. सेठी लिखिले not applicable.
এটা not applicable পରା মানে ମୋ ପାଖରେ ମୋ
ठीक है.
ସାଙ୍ଗରେ
आपण
case pending
लिखिछंती
ଅଛି.
एटा तो आपण declaration देइछंती जे there is no pending criminal case against me in 5-1.
आपण ପାଇଁ सेटा एटा applicable हबो नाही बोली आपण लिखिचंदी. प्रश्न होउची.
Sir,
Okay, I have mentioned under column number 5 bracket Roman 1, which states inverted comma भितरे, I declare that comma there is no pending criminal case against me, inverted comma ends, आज
this is not applicable.
not applicable, end of capital कर दियंतु. सेटा आउ गोटे inverted comma भितर start करंतु. Not एटा भी again आउ गोटे capital करंतु. Applicable, inverted comma stop. Yes, next question.
under column 5(1) of my
5.
affidavit
Acha,
in form 26.
I have mentioned
exhibit 43,
under column 5 of my affidavit in form 26,
exhibit 43.
White exhibit 43. अच्छा, गोटे गोटे तो अपन पचेरु एटा 43 रे 44 रे भी सेम लिखा है 44 मैं देखि दिए. सब गुडा के सेम लिखा है कोन गोटे गोटे थरे पळेबो ना. हां, 45 रे भी सेया लिखा है 46 रे भी सेया लिखा है. मिस्टर मुकिम दी in all these 43 तो लिखचन 44 45 46 ସେଥିରେ ମଧ୍ୟ ଆପଣ ଲେଖିଛନ୍ତି not applicable. Do you want to see it? I have already seen it that it is mentioned. ଦେଖେଇ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ତଥାପି, please show it. ସେଇ particular ଇଏଟା. ତିନିଟା ପୁରା ପଳେଇ ଯାଆନ୍ତୁ, ଓହ୍ଲେଇକିନି ପଳାନ୍ତୁ. ସେଇ particular ଇଏଟାକୁ ମାର୍କ କରନ୍ତୁ, so that ଗୋଟେ ଇଏରେ
document
ହଁ 43 ଟା ଦେଖେଇଛନ୍ତି ତାଙ୍କ ପାଖରେ ଅଛି. 44 ଟା ବି ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ, ସେଇ particular column 45 ଟା ବି ଦେଖାନ୍ତୁ ଏବଂ 46 ଟାକୁ ବି ଦେଖାନ୍ତୁ. ସବୁ
ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ exhibit 45 ହେଲା 45 ରେ ସେଇ column 5(1) ରେ ଆପଣ ଲେଖିଛନ୍ତି not applicable.
ସେମିତି ଅନ୍ୟ ଦିଟା ଦେଖାନ୍ତୁ. 44 ଦେଖାନ୍ତୁ.
means
ବୁଝିଲେ?
ତ ଯିବା
ହଁ, ଆସିବ. ସେ ଖାଲି ଆगे ଏଇଟା କହିଦିଅନ୍ତୁ. ନେକ୍ସଟ କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚିନ୍ ପଚାରିଲେ ଆପଣ ଯାହା କହିବା କଥା କହିବେ. ଆगे ଫ୍ୟାକ୍ଚୁଆଲ ଆସ୍ପେକ୍ଟ ଟା ପଳେଇ ଆସୁ.
ଏଇଟା 44 ଏଠି ବି not applicable ଲେଖିଛନ୍ତି.
42.
और 46 रही गला
এটা 46 রে not applicable লিখেছি।
okay then you just add exhibit 43 comma 44 exhibit 44 45 and 46 तब affidavit को my affidavits कर दियंतु Bides one so which states I declare that there is no pending criminal case against me as not applicable.
Sir.
43 টা
Sir,
রয়েছে তো
as
আমার পাখে রয়েছে তো
43.
okay, okay. Put your
Sir,
question.
as you yourself have said that there were criminal cases pending against you, this amounts to a false declaration. That this clause is not applicable to you.
ତାପରେ ଲେଖିଯିବା the following cases are pending against me.
ନା ପର କଥା ଆମେ ଆସିବା ଏଇଠି ଗୋଟାଏ କ୍ଲଜ ଆଜ୍ଞା I declare there are no
ସେ ସେଇ
criminal cases.
particular clause ଉପରେ ପ୍ରଶ୍ନଟା ପଚାରୁଛନ୍ତି ରୋମାନ 1 ଉପରେ
ଆଜ୍ଞା
ଯେ ଆପଣଙ୍କ ନାଁରେ ଆପଣ ନିଜେ କହିବା ଅନୁଯାୟୀ ଯଦି କ୍ରିମିନାଲ କେସେସ୍ ପେଣ୍ଡିଂ ଥିଲା ତାହେଲେ ଆପଣ କେମିତି ଯୋଉଠି ଲେଖା ହେଇଛି I declare that there is no pending criminal case against me as not applicable ଏଇଟା ଆପଣ ପାଇଁ
this
applicable ନୁହେଁ ବୋଲି କେମିତି ଲେଖିଲେ
sir pending criminal cases ରେ 1 and 2 ଦେଇଛି 1 is not applicable 2 is applicable because the following criminal cases are pending against me.
no no just question कर दियंतु ताको let him answer whatever he says Q कर दियंतु तो Q when you yourself say that at the time of filing of nomination papers comma some criminal cases were pending against you comma how you mentioned under column number 51 नहीं जानते नहीं कि नहीं माई जगह योर कर दियो of your affidavits so and so which states पूरा नहीं असम से टू क्वेश्चन मार्क दियंतु आंसर जहाँ कहबे लिखाओ कोन आउ थरे पढ़ी दियंतु क्वेश्चन टा when you yourself say that at the time of filing of nomination papers some criminal cases were pending against you how you mentioned under column 5(1) of your affidavits in form 26 Void exhibit 43 44 45 and 46 which states I declare that there is no pending criminal case against me as not applicable.
Sir,
Please
below
answer.
that
Hmm.
5I ର below ଲେଖା ହେଇଛି tick this alternative if there is no criminal case pending against the candidate and right not applicable against alternative 2 below.
Which one, Mr. Mukim? Which one?
That
I-
clause,
If there,
bracket ରେ ଲେଖା ହେଇଛି।
if
Tick
there
this
are,
alternative.
if there are pending criminal case against a candidate, then tick this alternative and score of alternative 1 above
So it's
and
not
give details. सेटा not applicable ପାଇଁ ଲେଖିବାକୁ ଲେଖା ହେଇନଥିଲା ସେଟା ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ କରାହେଇ ଯାଇଥିଲା ଯେ ସ୍କୋର ଅଫ୍ କରିଦବା ପାଇଁ ଅର୍ଥାତ୍ ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ଗାର ପକେଇ ଦେବାକୁ କରାହେଇଥିଲା
That score of strike off or deletion are not applicable is all mean same because in the second lay the following criminal cases are pending against me
okay
have
ଲେଖନ୍ତୁ since below the column number 5 Roman 2 of the affidavits in exhibits 43 certainly asuntu 46 comma within bracket comma nahi comma within bracket it was mentioned inverted comma start kundu. If there are pending criminal cases against the candidate, comma, then tick this alternative and score of OFF alternative bracket ভিতরে লিখুন তো Roman 1 above, comma, and give details of all pending cases in the table below, inverted comma ends, comma, I mentioned under column number 5 bracket Roman 1 as inverted comma ভিতরে single inverted comma ভিতরে not applicable, n টা capital করন্তু, a টা capital করন্তু, inverted comma ends, while putting tick mark, tick ପରେ ଗୋଟେ ଏମିତି ଚିହ୍ନ ଦେଇ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ, ଏଇ ଯୋଉ ଏମିତି ଗୋଟେ ଏମିତି ଅଛି କି ହେଇପାରିବ କି ଟିକ୍ ମାର୍କଟାକୁ ଯୋଉ କରେକ୍ଟ ଏମିତି ଏ ଟାଇପର ବାହାର କରିକି ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ସେଠି। Is it available in? Okay, just bracket tick mark against inverted comma again start the following criminal case bracket S
टिक ভিতরে ইনভার্টেড ইয়ে ভিতরে টিক মার্ক ଗୋଟେ ଦେଇଥିଲେ ହେଇଥାନ୍ତା ସାର୍।
ନାଇଁ ମୁଁ ସେଟା ପୁରା ପାଉନାହାନ୍ତି, ସେ ଖୋଜୁଛନ୍ତି, ଖୋଜିକି just wait, ସେଟା ମୁଁ କହିଲି ଖୋଜୁଛନ୍ତି, he will put it before finalizing, before taking your signature, are pending against me, in inverted comma single inverted comma and stop. Yes
सर जेहेतु आपनको नारे क्रिमिनल केसेस थिला at the time of filing nomination and you say that this clause is not applicable to you, it amounts to a false declaration.
No sir,
it's not a fact,
it's not a fact.
it's not a fact that I have made false declaration in the affidavits. अच्छा এইটাକୁ separate ଇଏ କରିଦିଅନ୍ତୁ, ମାନେ paragraph
In
କରିଦିଅନ୍ତୁ
column 5.
ହଁ no ଠିକ ଅଛି, sub paragraph. It is not a fact that I have mentioned, I have made false declaration in column 5, in column number କରିଦିଅନ୍ତୁ, column number 5 bracket Roman 1 of the affidavits exhibits ସେ ଯୋଉ ଚାରିଟାକୁ ନେଇ ଆସନ୍ତୁ, by mentioning inverted comma ଭିତରେ not applicable, ସେମିତି ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ, n ବଡ a ବଡ, it's not a fact that I have made false declaration in so and so by mentioning not applicable. Yes, stop. पाइले हाँ ठीक है। Mr. Mokim, please see that is tick mark is given now.
Sir.
Okay. You are putting question on exhibit 17. Please hand over the copy and ask the question.
Sorry, exhibit 27.
Ne କୋଉଟା ପଚାରିବେ?
27.
27 ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ। नहीं इस विल फाइंड आउट हाँ ठीक है 27 नंबर दिन okay 27 number is the certified copy of the
number 136
of the order sheet and first information report of Balianta PS case number 136 dated 24/9/2012 right yes कौन question आपनकर पचारन मैं witness को देले
original date
ठीक
ଆପଣ ନିଜ ଡକ୍ୟୁମେଣ୍ଟ ଛାଡି ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ
ସେ affidavit
କୋର୍ଟ ଅରିଜିନାଲ ରେକର୍ଡ ଦେବ ନା
ଅଛି
ଆପଣ ତ ତାହେଲେ ଘରୁ ଲେଖିକି ଦେଇ ଦେଇଥାନ୍ତେ ଏଇଟା ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ
exhibit 27 ऊपर आपनको प्रथम प्रश्न होगा
ଆଜ୍ଞା
ଆପଣ please listen it carefully and answer yes
Exhibit 27 is the certified copy of order sheet and FIR number 136 dated 24/9/2012 which corresponds to GR case number 680 of 2012 pending in the court of JMFC O Bhubaneswar.
exhibit 27
Next paragraph.
अच्छा पारा कर दियंतु exhibit पारा पूरा दियंतु माने केते पारा अपन नेइथिले 61 हेतला माने 62 रु आरंभ exhibit 27 is is it certified copy
Certified.
is the certified copy of the order sheet of GR case number 680 of 2012 pending in the court of JMFC bracketary O comma Bhubaneswar along with the certified copy of the first information report in Balianta PS case number 136 dated 24/9/2012. You want the offenses to be mentioned, Mr. Khan?
ସେଇଟା ଆଜ୍ଞା ମୁଁ ପଛରେ ଅଲଗା
Okay. Stop. Okay. Stop.
ଏଇ ଏକ୍ଜିବିଟ୍ ଟା ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ ଏଫଆଇଆର ଟା This Balianta police station comes under Bhubaneswar Urban Police District.
ଖୋର୍ଦ୍ଧା
Bhubaneswar Urban Police District. ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ ଏଫଆଇଆର ରେ କଣ ଲେଖା ହେଇଛି ଏଫଆଇଆର ରେ ଖୋର୍ଦ୍ଧା ଲେଖା ହେଇଛି
ଡିଷ୍ଟ୍ରିକ୍ଟ ଖୋର୍ଦ୍ଧା ଲେଖା ହେଇଛି
ଏଟା କୋଉଠି ଡିଷ୍ଟ୍ରିକ୍ଟ direction and distance PS so and so north address at metro satellite କୋଉଠି offense ହେଲା ସେଠି ଏଇ ଯୋଉ FIR registered ହେଇଛି it has been registered at Balianta PS which is under Bhubaneswar Urban Police District.
yes
Balianta police station comes under Bhubaneswar Urban Police District bracket like diyantu UPD.
ଏଇ ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ ଆପଣଙ୍କ exhibit 43 exhibit 43 ର
43 ମାନେ
ଆପଣ 44 ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ ସେମ୍ ଅଛି 44 ରେ ସେମ୍ ଅଛି
ହଁ ଠିକ ଅଛି କୋଉ ଏଟା 44 ତ ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି ମତେ
44 all the exhibits are same.
My lords may can see at page 4
40 ନହେଲେ 44 ଟା ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ that is 42 एरा सब समान तो
हाँ सब
आगे।
जेरॉक्स
ओके ओके हाँ ठीक अछि हाँ कोटा कहउछन आपण
पेज 4
पेज 4 हाँ
कॉलम 5:1 रो ए सॉरी 5:2 ए रो सीरियल 6 रोमन 6
रोमन 6 ओके एफआईआर नंबर 130 just a minute 6 अला एफआईआर नंबर 136 2012 डेटेड 24/12 बालियंता पुलिस स्टेशन वो कटक लिख दीजिए अच्छा कटक ओडिशा हाँ पचान क्वेश्चन
आपण आपणक एफिडेविट फॉर्म 26 रे जोटा दाखल करचंती आर कॉलम 5 रोमन 2 ए रो सीरियल नंबर 6 रे आपण फॉल्स डिक्लेरेशन करिचंती दैट एफआईआर नंबर 136 dated 24/9/2012 बालियंता पीएस कटक
My lord, this comes under Commissioner Police of Bhubaneswar, Commissioner Police under Cuttack and Bhubaneswar Asuchi. And Balianta Police Station, Bhubaneswar Asuchi, mu mention Kochi Cuttack. I have not suppressed any material fact. All the allegations jamona lagitila. ताकू मु शो करी
नहीं नहीं सेटा ठीक अछि खाली पचार दिन
टाइपोग्राफिकल मिस्टेक जोटा कि
हाँ।
कटक ही थांता भुवनेश्वर ही जाइछि सॉरी भुवनेश्वर ही थांता कटक ही
okay it's not a fact that
not suppressed any
that I have made a false declaration by mentioning under column number
5 रोमन
5 Roman 2
ए
bracket रे A bracket रे Roman 6 VI that FIR number 136 by oblique चिन्ह दियो 2012 dated 24/9/2012 comma बालियंता पुलिस स्टेशन पूरा लिखंतु is at Cuttack
police station is come under
police station comes under police station comes under
Bhubaneswar Cuttack
no just comes under Cuttack Odisha comma Odisha
no sir
it is not a fact that I have made a false declaration by mentioning so and so stop it was a mistake on my part
I want to mention sir there
huh?
I want to mention Commissioner Police is Bhubaneswar Cuttack Commissioner Police we are mentioning the city of Bhubaneswar and Cuttack so it comes under Bhubaneswar Cuttack Commissioner Police mistakenly written
it was a mistake on my part to mention
typographical mistake in
to mention Cuttack inverted comma ভিতর লিখন্তু inverted comma and in place of Bhubaneswar comma however ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ସେ ଯୋଉଟା କହୁଥିଲେ କଣ
Bhubaneswar Cuttack Commissioner Police is one
Bhubaneswar Commission Cuttack
and I have declared all the
Bhubaneswar Cuttack Commissionerate of Police Commissionerate spelling ठीक करंतु नहीं अलग ही बता दे Commissionerate Police is one and what is your further reply you said अपन के लिए गुड ए जो
এটা mention মানে যায় दफा थिला I have mentioned correctly, but खाली नाटा change ही
No, से दफा ऊपर से क्वेश्चन पचाना खाली से एती भीतर
Okay,
क्वेश्चन से कोना जी आपण दफा किछि सप्रेस करछन से एई क्वेश्चन डाउजी केवल हाँ and it was a typographical error. It was a typographical error. Yes.
ଆପଣ ସେ affidavit ର exhibit 43 ର ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ clause 5 Roman 2B ର serial 9
see 4 page है
कोटा
column 5 my lord Roman 2B तळे जो B ର
B
serial
B
number
B for Bombay हाँ
B for Bombay तार serial number 9
9 अच्छा
at page 5
9 हला आपनकर GR केस नंबर
आगे
हाँ GR केस नंबर 680 of 2012 वो ए जोटा सर्टिफाइड कॉपी
आगे
आपन
सही जो
देखो
order sheet exhibit 27
हाँ एटा लिखिचंती कोन लिखिचंती ओहो एटा लिखिचंती एसडीजीएम भुवनेश्वर ओके हाँ एटा ऊपर पचंदो
देखिले
you
column 9
here 680 by 2012 in the Honorable Court of SDGM Bhubaneswar.
again
Hmm.
GR case number 680 2012 in the Honorable Court of SDGM Bhubaneswar ए केस एसडीजीएम भुवनेश्वर रे केबे पेंडिंग नथला एटा जेएमएफसी ओ भुवनेश्वर पाखरे पेंडिंग थला यू हैव मेड ए फॉल्स डिक्लेरेशन
False declaration nahi my lord. The case number, FIR charge sheet, everything I have mentioned correctly. But instead of JMC Bhubaneswar, SDGM Bhubaneswar lekha hai it's a typographical mistake.
okay
I have
it is not a
suppressed any
fact
material.
it's not a fact that I have made false declaration by mentioning under column number 5
रोमन 2
bracket Roman 2
बी
bracket रे B small b लिखंतु आउट bracket रे IX that GR case number 680 by 2012 is pending in the court of SDJM Lonen Katijam in the court of SDGM Lonen Katundu in the court of SDGM Bhubaneswar. Though Exhibit 27 indicates that the said case was pending, is pending in the court of JMFC O Bhubaneswar. Stop.
It's purely a typographical and
Yes,
it's purely a typographical and clerical error.
it is a typographical error on my part to mention SDGM, Bhubaneswar. এটা ব্র্যাকেট ভিতরে রাখন্তু সিঙ্গেল ইনভার্টেড কমা ভিতরে SDGM Bhubaneswar in place of again bracket start JMFC O Bhubaneswar bracket and stop. Yes.
ଆପଣ ଯୋଉଟା କହୁଛନ୍ତି it's a typographical error it is not correct you have made this declaration to mislead the voters of the 90 Baravati assembly constituency.
No, my lord, I have 13 cases in my name and
No.
all the cases have.
You deny the suggestion.
Yes, sir.
It's not a fact that in order to mislead the voters of 90 Baravati Cuttack Assembly constituency, I have made such false declarations Stop. The witness volunteers. Inverted comma ভিতরে রাখুন। Start করুন তো inverted comma ভিতরে। No, it's all right. The witness volunteers. তଳକୁ ଆଣନ୍ତୁ। I have 13 criminal cases against me, and I have mentioned the same. अपने 13टा जाक केस सब उल्लेख कर
with all details.
I have mentioned the same in the affidavits of all my which were filed along with my nomination papers, and I have given the details of those cases, including offenses,
Yes, sir.
and not suppressed anything. Stop. Yes. Next question. Yes, सब पारा को जानो।
एफआईआर टा देखो
वो कार एफआईआर
सही से आ गए एग्जिबिट 27 रो एफआईआर
Exhibit 27.
दिस एफआईआर shows this FIR has been registered under section 417, 341, 323, 294, 506, 379, 120B, oblique 34 IPC.
Yes.
Yes, he says yes.
Next question पचान में लिख देगा।
ଆପଣ ଆପଣଙ୍କ affidavit ରେ ଏଇ offense ଗୁରା ବିଷୟରେ କୋଉଠି ଲେଖିଛନ୍ତି ଦେଖାନ୍ତୁ। Class 5 Roman 2 Class C ରେ କୋଉଠି ଏ offense ଗୁରା ବିଷୟରେ ଲେଖିଛନ୍ତି କୋଉଠି?
Column 5.
Column 5 Roman 2 C.
C रे। हाँ C रे होची it deals with sections of the concern. Okay. 8 mention करिया होची। Okay. कौन है चंदी? एठी mention करना दी बोले आपण। Okay. Mr. Mukim, please verify.
My lord. Coach sir.
हाँ।
Correct coach.
कोटा हाँ को particular column टा applicable हबो এই offense ପାଇଁ ଦେଖିକିନି कोन कोठी mention करछन। एटा ऊपर टा जदी हला GR case number एटा होची column number 9 ताले एटा 9 ने mention हबार थिला तळे 9 ने तो अन्य offense कोन ओडा लिखि दै चली गले 13 to 13(1)D ये offense विषय कोड लिखिले 417 341
506 379 रो कोठी नाही एंटायर
नहीं ठीक करूं तो let him go through
let him वाले आपको बताओ
417 କୌଣସି offense ନାହିଁ ଆ ଭିତରେ এইটা সে ଆଉ ଯୋଉ ବାକି ତିନିଟା ନେଇଯାଆନ୍ତି କାଟିଦେବେ ଏଇଟାକୁ ନିଅନ୍ତି ସେ ଦୁଇଟା ସେଇ ପର୍ଟିକୁଲାର ପେଜଟାକୁ ନେଇ ଦେଖନ୍ତି। ଏଗୁଡା ବି ଦେଖି ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ କାଳେ ଏଥିରେ ମେନସନ କରିଥିବେ ସେଇ ଗୋଟାକରେ ନଥିବ। 4 ସେଟ୍ ତ ଆପଣଙ୍କର ଆଫିଡେଭିଟ ନା। It's not there,
Sir.
Mr. Mukim, it's not there.
I can't say sir এটা কোটি কোটি ট্রাফিକାଲ ମିଷ୍ଟେକ୍ ହେଇଥିବ ଆଗ ତ ଉପର ତଳ
Alright.
ହେଇଥିବ ଗୋଟେ କହିପାରିବି।
It's a fact that even though Balianta PS case number 136 dated 24/9/2012, which corresponds to GR case number 680 of 2012, pending in the court of JMFC bracket रे O Bhubaneswar was registered under sections କରନ୍ତୁ 417 oblique 341 comma 323 comma
ଆମର ଯେ
two-
original
two-
documents ଥିଲା ସେଠି ଥିବ
କୋଉଟା କହିଲେ?
affidavit ରେ ଦେଖିବା ଟିକେ
କୋଉଟା?
ସେ ଯୋଉ bunch of documents ଯୋଉଟା exhibit କରାହେଇଥିଲା this is your
ଏଇଟା
certified.
certified copy of a FIR.
certified copy এটা
You
court
have not filed any document with regard to these criminal cases.
all right that was called for they were permitted to obtain the certified copy and they have filed and it has been exhibited so 294 comma oblique 506 oblique 379 oblique 120b oblique 34 of the Indian Penal Code but in my affidavits marked as exhibits से जो चार्टा को नहीं आसान no marked as हाँ comma I have not mentioned these offenses in under column number 5
Roman 2
bracket रे Roman 2
C.
bracket रे C bracket रे small c where it was required to mention inverted comma ଭିତରେ start କରନ୍ତୁ section bracket ରେ ଲେଖନ୍ତୁ S bracket ends of concerned acts eta capital ACTS acts oblique codes code CODES ଛାଡ଼ିକିନି involved bracket रे give number NO dot of the section a section टा बड़ कर दियंतु S टा capital करंतु comma E dot G small e dot G again capital କରନ୍ତୁ section dot 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 of IPC ଲାଗି ଲାଗିକିନି comma ETC inverted comma ends
my lord
ଟିକେ ମୁଁ ଲେଖିବି where ETC नहीं से bracket ଟା କାଟି ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ I have not mentioned these offenses under so and so where it was required to mention so and so yes कौन कହୁଛନ୍ତି ଆପଣ
my lord this is CVI this case is VI
CVI all right the witness again says
କଣ ପଚାରିଲେ କହିଲେ
ନା ଆପଣ କହିଲେ ପରା ମୁଁ ଲେଖିବି ସେ ନା the witness again says that the offenses
sir I want to clarify that question ଟା
ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ କୁହାଲା ଯେ କୋଉଠି ଅଫେନ୍ସ ଗୁଡାକ ଉଲ୍ଲେଖ କରିଛନ୍ତି ଆପଣ ପ୍ରଥମେ କହିଲେ ନାଇଁ ମୁଁ କରିନି ତାପରେ ପୁଣି କହିଲେ ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ କହୁଛନ୍ତି ଯେ ସେଟା ହଉଛି CVI ରେ ମୁଁ ସେୟା ଲେଖୁଛି the witness again says that the offenses are mentioned under column number 5 Roman 2C सीटा कैपिटल नहीं ठीक है जी स्मॉल होबो ब्रैकेट लिखंतु VI ब्रैकेट एंड स्टॉप दियंतु अच्छा से CVI ताले देखंतु आपण सेठी लिखा आइछि कमिशन ऑफ ऑफेंसेस you put your questions
Nice, sir.
CBI रे क्वेश्चन आपण कहले तो वर्तमान CBI रे ऑफेंसेस गुडा कोन लेखाई देखो
ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ ଏ ଏଫଆଇଆର ରେଜିଷ୍ଟର୍ଡ ହେଇଛି 4 ସେକ୍ସନ 4
आगे आगे
Sir,
एटा नहीं आसुन आगे
sir,
नहीं आसुन
ସେଇଟାକୁ
CBI टा को नहीं आसुन
ନାଇଁ CBI sir ଏଟା ନୁହଁ sir. Sorry sir.
the witness again says
Sir, ଏଟାକୁ delete କରିଦେବା.
no it cannot be deleted it again says रे लेखा कोन कहंतु ताला
So my lawyer will say that.
no your lawyer is not a witness you are the witness if the question you have answered it has already been written if you say it has been mentioned say in which column if you cannot say you cannot say
I
it's all
cannot
right
say sir.
the witness again says that he cannot say in which column of column number so and so column number 5 Roman 2 C na VI anantani column VI टा काटी दियंतु comma the same has been mentioned comma लिखंतु comma दियंतु 5 2 Roman 2 C परे comma the same has been mentioned stop yes
ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ ଏ ଯୋଉ ଏଫଆଇଆର ନମ୍ବର 136 dated 24/9/2012 of Balienta PS has been registered under section 417. You have not mentioned
one of the offenses 417
417. You have not mentioned in your affidavits under exhibit 43, 44, 45 and 46 in column 5(2)C that offenses under section 417 is pending against you.
ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ ଏଇଟା ନେଇଯାଆନ୍ତୁ ସେଠି ଏ ତିନିଟା ଯାକ ଖୋଜନ୍ତୁ 417 ବୋଲି କୌଣସି ଦଫା ଆପଣଙ୍କର ଏଗେନଷ୍ଟ ରେ ପେଣ୍ଡିଂ ଅଛି କୌଣସି କେସ ରେ ସେ ବିଷୟରେ ଉଲ୍ଲେଖ କରିଛନ୍ତି କି
ବୁଝିଛି.
13ଟା କଲମ ଆପଣ ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି ବିଭିନ୍ନ ଅଫେନ୍ସ ଲେଖିଛନ୍ତି ଏ 417 ର ଗୋଟେ ଦଫାର ଗୋଟେ କେସ୍ ଆପଣଙ୍କ ନାଁରେ ପେଣ୍ଡିଂ ଅଛି ଏ ବିଷୟରେ ସେଇ କଲମରେ କୋଉଠି ଉଲ୍ଲେଖ ଅଛି ଆଇପିସି ଟା ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ଚାରିଶହ 17 ଦଫାଟା ହଉଛି ପନିଶମେଣ୍ଟ ଫର ଚିଟିଂ ଟା 415 ରେ ଡିଫାଇନ ହେଇଛି ଆଉ ତାର ପନିଶମେଣ୍ଟ ହଉଛି 417 ତ ଏଭଳି ଗୋଟେ ଅଫେନ୍ସ ଆପଣଙ୍କର ର କେସ୍ ଆପଣଙ୍କ ନାଁରେ ପେଣ୍ଡିଂ ଅଛି ଆପଣଙ୍କ ଯେତିକ ଯାକ ଅଫେନ୍ସ ଲେଖିଛନ୍ତି ସେ କଲମଟାରେ ତା ଦେହରେ ମେନସନ କରିଛନ୍ତି କି
I have mentioned all the A, but I think this is a typographical mistake. Clerical error जुति कटी जाइतिबो से
It is a fact that even though one of the offenses in Balianta PS case number, one of the offenses under which Balianta PS case number 136 was registered. Each section 417 Indian Penal Code, comma, in column number 5 Roman 2C of my affidavits marked as comma, where I have mentioned the offenses of different cases instituted against me, comma, I have not indicated that a case under section 417 of the Indian Penal Code is pending against me. The witness volunteers that it may be a typographical error to leave such offense, LEAVE, in the said column. Stop. Yes.
ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ ଏ ଏଫଆଇଆର ରେ ଆପଣଙ୍କ ବିରୁଦ୍ଧରେ ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ 506/379 ରେ ରେଜିଷ୍ଟର୍ଡ ହେଇଛି। ସେକ୍ସନ 506 and 379 ରେ ବି ରେଜିଷ୍ଟର୍ଡ ହେଇଛି। ସେ ବିଷୟରେ ବି ଆପଣ ଆପଣଙ୍କ କଲମ 52C ରେ ଉଲ୍ଲେଖ କରିନାହାନ୍ତି।
Data offense. अच्छा चेक कर दियंते
506 ରେ ଏଠି mention କରାଯାଇଛି।
କୋଉଠି
ନାଇଁ 506 ରେ ଆପଣଙ୍କର ଅନ୍ୟ କେସ୍ ବି ରେଜିଷ୍ଟର୍ଡ ହେଇଛି। ଏଇ ଯୋଉ
ଏଇ ଏଫଆଇଆର
ଏମିତିଆ ଗୋଟେ କେସ୍ ଯୋଉଠି 506 ସହିତ 379 ଅଛି।
506 ସାଙ୍ଗରେ 379 ଅଛି। ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ
ହଁ।
ଏଫଆଇଆର ଟା ଆଗେ
506 ହେଲା କ୍ରିମିନାଲ ଇଣ୍ଟିମିଡେସନ ର ପନିଶମେଣ୍ଟ,
ଆଜ୍ଞା
379 ହେଲା କମିଶନ ଅଫ ଥେଫ୍ଟ ର ପନିଶମେଣ୍ଟ। ସୋ ଏଇ ଦିଟାକ ଅଫେନ୍ସ ଏକାଠି ଆପଣଙ୍କ ବିରୁଦ୍ଧରେ କୌଣସି କେସ୍ ରେ ମେନସନ କରିଛନ୍ତି କି ପେଣ୍ଡିଂ ଅଛି ବୋଲି?
379, my lord, is a clerical error mentioning.
It's a fact that in none of the offenses indicated under the column 5 1 C comma I have mentioned that case that a case under section 506 oblique 379 of Indian Penal Code, along with other offenses, are pending was pending against me as Balianta PS case number so and so was registered. Also, under such offenses, comma, but the omission of section 379 of the Indian Penal Code under such column was a typographical error on my part. Author padiva sentence ta. It is a fact that in none of it is a fact that in none of the offenses indicated under column so and so, I have mentioned that a case under section so and so, along with other offenses, was pending against me, as Balianta PS case number was registered also under such offenses. But the omission of section 379 of the Indian Penal Code under such column was a typographical error on my part. Yes, ठीक.
ଆପଣ ଏ ଯୋଉ କହିଲେ ବାଲିଆନ୍ତା ପୋଲିସ ଷ୍ଟେସନ କଟକ SDGM ଭୁବନେଶ୍ୱର ଏବଂ ଏ ଯୋଉ ଅଫେନ୍ସ ଗୁରା ଯୋଉ JMFCO ବଦଳରେ SDGM ଭୁବନେଶ୍ୱର ଏବଂ ଏ ଯୋଉ ଅଫେନ୍ସ 471 506 379 ଏଗୁରା ଟାଇପୋଗ୍ରାଫିକାଲ ଏରରରେ ଏଫିଡେଭିଟ୍ ଡିସକ୍ଲୋଜ ହେଇନି ଏ ବିଷୟ ଆପଣ ଆପଣଙ୍କ ଜବାବରେ ଲେଖିଛନ୍ତି
ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ
Evidence of
ଜବାବ କପି
affidavit
ଅଛି
ରେ
ତାଙ୍କ ପାଖରେ ରିଟିନ୍ ଷ୍ଟେଟମେଣ୍ଟଟା ଦେଖାନ୍ତୁ ଦେଖିକି ପଚାରନ୍ତୁ
evidence of affidavit ରେ sir
ସେ ଜବାବ ଉପରେ ଆଗେ ପଚାରୁଛନ୍ତି ଗୋଟେ 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 ଯାଆନ୍ତୁ ଯଦି କହିଦେବେ ଜବାବରେ ଲେଖି ନାହାନ୍ତି
ଏଇଟା ହଉଛି
ଜବାବକୁ ଆସନ୍ତୁ ଆଗେ ତାଙ୍କ ସାମ୍ନାରେ ରଖନ୍ତୁ ତାପରେ ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ
ଏଇଟା ଆପଣଙ୍କ ରିଟର୍ନ ଷ୍ଟେଟମେଣ୍ଟ ଏଇଥିରେ ଆପଣ କୋଉଠି ଉଲ୍ଲେଖ କରିଛନ୍ତି
ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ମୁଁ ଦେଖିକି କହୁଛି
ଏଇଟା ଟାଇପୋଗ୍ରାଫିକାଲ ଏରର
ରିଟିନ୍ ଷ୍ଟେଟମେଣ୍ଟଟା ତ ମାର୍କ ହେଇନଥିବ ବୋଧେ ଓକେ
ମୋ ପାଖରେ ଅଛି ମୁଁ ଦେଖିଦେବି
ନାଇଁ ନାଇଁ ଆପଣ ଏଇ ଡକୁମେଣ୍ଟ ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ
ରିଟିନ୍ ଷ୍ଟେଟମେଣ୍ଟ ଅରିଜିନାଲଟା ଆପଣ ଯୋଉଟା ଫାଇଲ କରିଛନ୍ତି ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ ହଁ ସେଥିରେ ଏଇ ଯୋଉ ଆପଣ ସବୁ ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ କହୁଛନ୍ତି ତ ଏଇଟା ଟାଇପୋଗ୍ରାଫିକାଲ ଏରର SDGM ଟା ମେନସନ କଲି ଟାଇପୋଗ୍ରାଫିକାଲ ଏରର ସେ ତାପରେ ସେ ଅଫେନ୍ସ ଗୁଡାକ ଛାଡିଲି ସେଟା ଟାଇପୋଗ୍ରାଫିକାଲ ଏରର ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ କଣ କହିଲେ 417 ଛାଡିଦେଲେ ଟାଇପୋଗ୍ରାଫିକାଲ ଏରର ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ କଣ କହିଲେ
506 379
ହଁ ହଁ ସେଇଟା ବି ଟାଇପୋଗ୍ରାଫିକାଲ ଏଇ ଯୋଉ ସବୁ ଜିନିଷ କହୁଛନ୍ତି ଏଇଟା କଣ ଚାଲୁନି କଣ ଟିକେ ଉପରକୁ ଉଠାନ୍ତୁ ହଁ ଆଉ ଏଇଟା ବାଲିଅନ୍ତାଟା ହଉଛି ଯୋଉ
भुवनेश्वर अर्बन
आपण मेंशन करछन्ती कटक एटा भी टाइपोग्राफिकल एरर ए विषय रे आपनकर रिटन स्टेटमेंट रे कहिसन्ती एउडा सब टाइपोग्राफिकल एरर हि होछि।
Sir, page 42, my lord A.
Yes, just written statement again. Page 42.
A. The respondent has correctly mentioned the FIR number dated at the FIR and name of the police station, column 5 2A, wide serial number VI. That is FIR number 136/2012 dated 24/9/2012 at Balyanta police station. There is no allegation about the corresponding entries, informations furnished in respect of the said FIR under column Metiki. The only discrepancy as alleged is that mentioning of Balyanta police station Cuttack, whereas in the district of Cuttack there is no Balyanta police station. This allegation is made without any pleading to the effect that on account of such typographical mistake as to why and how the result of the election is so far as it concerns return candidate has been materially affected. We have mentioned there, sir, Balyanta
No,
police.
खाली बालियंता पुलिस स्टेशन टा
तांको प्लीड रे भी सेया थिला, sir.
नहीं
So
नहीं
they are asking about
आपण
the Balyanta police station and
ठीक
we have
अछि
mentioned
आपण
accordingly.
आपण ए जो ऑफेंस तापरे बालियंता पुलिस स्टेशन रो लोकेशन जो लिखिचंती कटक रे
Sir,
ता छड़ा ए जो ऑफेंस गुडा को छाड़ी देइचंती एसडीजीएम जो लिखिचंती ई गुडा को कोट स्पेसिफिक तो आधेर किछि लेखाय निजे गुडा को टाइपोग्राफिकल एरर बेली आपण लिखिचंती जे सब्सटेंशिएट रादर करिसंती जे मो विरुद्धरे आउ किछि अभियोग नाही ओनली डिस्क्रिपेंसी होछि कटक आउ सेटा गोटे कोनोसी प्लीडिंग नाही and on account of such typographical mistake as to why and how এই ଯୋଉ ବିଷୟରେ ବାଲିଅନ୍ତା police station କଟକ ଭୁବନେଶ୍ୱର ଅଫେନ୍ସ ଏଇ ସବୁ ତାପରେ ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ କଣ ସେଗୁଡା ଏଗୁଡା କିଛି ଲେଖା ହେଇନି
SDJM
ହଁ SDGM JMF
in
ଏ
place of
ବିଷୟରେ
CMF.
କିଛି ଲେଖା ହେଇନି paragraph এই ଗୋଟିଏ
Sir,
paragraph ହିଁ
ତାଙ୍କର-
ସେଇ ଏଇ
ତାଙ୍କର
ଗୋଟିଏ
plea-
paragraph ହିଁ ସେଇଟାକୁ ଡିଲ୍ କରୁଛି ସେ ବାଲିଅନ୍ତା PS କେସ୍ ବିଷୟରେ ଆଉ କୌଣସି କାରଣ ଆପଣ ପ୍ରତ୍ୟେକ paragraph ଟା ଗୋଟେ ଗୋଟେ କେସ୍ କୁ ଡିଲ୍ କରିଛନ୍ତି ଆପଣଙ୍କ ରିଟିନ୍ ଷ୍ଟେଟମେଣ୍ଟ ରେ so far as ବାଲିଅନ୍ତା PS କେସ୍ ହଉଛି ଏଇ ଗୋଟେ
Sir,
paragraph
page number 36 ରେ
ହଁ
ତାଙ୍କର question ଥିଲା the respondent has mentioned FIR number ଏତିକି dated ଏତିକି in Valianta police station Cuttack which whereas there is no Valianta police station district of Cuttack. So we have clarified this is the traffic operator mistake and Valianta police station ଟା ଖୋର୍ଦ୍ଧାରେ ଅଛି ବୋଲି.
The only discrepancy as alleged upon mention eya korchanti the only discrepancy as alleged in that mentioning of Valianta PS case number so and so in the Cuttack there is no offense विषय कोड लिखिचंती आपण offense विषय तापर से जो कोर्ट विषय कोड लिखिचंती जे एगुडाक मध्य आपण जो मेंशन करिसंती एगुडाक टाइपोग्राफिकल एरर ए विषय किछि मेंशन करि नाहंती बोली से कहउचंती तांकर
Sir, ସେତେବେଳେ ଯୋଉ ଫାଇଲ ଆମେ କରିଥିଲୁ ତାଙ୍କର ଯୋଉ ପିଟିସନ ଫାଇଲ କରିଥିଲେ ତାକୁ ବେସ୍ କରିକି ରିପ୍ଲାଏ ଦିଆଯାଇଥିଲା ସେଥିରେ
all right
ସେମାନେ ମେନସନ
it is
କରିନଥିଲେ.
ठीक अछि it is a fact that I have not mentioned that it was a typographical error on my part. It is a fact that I have that in the written statement, it is a fact that in the written statement, comma, I have not mentioned that it was a typographical error on my part to mention that जो कौन से गुड़ाक कहले सब गुड़ाक लिखि दियंतु प्रथमटा कहले प्रथमटा कौन कहले बैक एटा बैक केमते होनी कोन पे
SD Valianta PS
बैक करन तुरंत गोटी गोटी
Valianta PS Cuttack
अच्छा
in place of Valianta PS
शेयर्स गुड आरंभ करंतु बालियंता हाँ हाँ बालियंता पुलिस स्टेशन कम्स अंडर कटक सेटा सेटा नहीं ता तळ टाणु हाँ से अच्छा सेठु नहीं जान हाँ कॉलम नंबर सेठु नहीं जान हाँ सेठु नहीं जान नहीं सेउडा नहीं होंतु नहीं प्ले लास्ट छाड़ दिन हाँ से जाए नहीं होंतु कॉपी करी आनी पेस्ट करंतु एटी पेस्ट करंतु it is a fact that in the written statement I have not mentioned that it was a
Yes,
typographical
I have
error.
mentioned that.
Huh?
Written statement mentioned the typographical mistake.
Konda?
It's a typographical mistake. Valianta instead of Bhubaneswar ଆମେ କଟକ ଖୋର୍ଦ୍ଧା ଭୁବନେଶ୍ୱର ଲେଖିଛୁ.
କୋଉଠି ଲେଖିଛନ୍ତି ଆପଣ?
Page 43, sir.
43?
Sir. It is humbly submitted by the sole respondent that if for the sake of argument, the district of the Valianta police station has been wrongly mentioned as Cuttack district in place of Khordha district, that is inconsequential, immaterial, and
Okay, সেটা তাহলে সেটাও কাটি দিও সেটা
and
কাটি
said
দিও
mistake cannot be found on the basis of which.
ঠিক ঠিক আছে এটি যে তাহলে ଆଉ ଯୋଉ ଜିନିଷଟା ରହିଲା ସେଟା ଲେଖନ୍ତୁ ଯୋଉ SDGM ଗୋଟେ ରହିଛି ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ସେ ଅଫେନ୍ସ ଗୁଡାକ ରହିଛି ହଁ ହଁ ସେଇ ହଁ ସେଇଟା ନେଇ ହଁ সেটা পুরো টাইটেল কাটি দিও সেটা কাটি দিও হ্যাঁ এটা It is a fact that in the written statement, I have not mentioned that it was a typographical error on my part to mention that under column number so and so, that GR case number so and so is pending in so and so, though exhibit so and so indicate the case, and also see you offense for us. And
417 506
and omission of offenses कर देंगे हाँ ऐसे like डाकी दो पढ़े सुन पूरा and omission of offenses under sections 417 गोटे आउ गोटे कौन
506 379
5706 and 379 of the Indian Penal Code.
Sir, it is JMC election, sir. This is your vigilance case.
No, the JMFC हो सेही गोटे केस ऊपर प्रश्न सेही particular case टा sir. And also the omission of offenses under section so and so. It is a fact that in the written statement I have not mentioned that it was a typographical error on my part to mention so and so Bhubaneswar to exhibit 27 spending against so and so, and also the omission of
but it is already mentioned in the
সেটা তাদের মেনশন করছেন সে বর্তমান কোশ্চেনটা পচারুଛନ୍ତି আপনার রিটেন স্টেটমেন্ট বট
রিটেন স্টেটমেন্টে ট্রাফিক উপর মিস্টেক ହେଇଛି মেনশন ହେଇଛି ସାର୍
ହଁ ରିটেନ ସ୍ଟେଟମେଣ୍ଟରେ ଆପଣ କେବଳ ବାଲିଅନ୍ତା ପୋଲିସ ଷ୍ଟେସନଟା ଆପଣ କଟକରେ ଦେଖେଇଛନ୍ତି ଯୋଉଟା ପ୍ରକୃତରେ ଖୋର୍ଦ୍ଧା ଡିଷ୍ଟ୍ରିକ୍ଟରେ ସେ ବିଷୟରେ ଆପଣ ଲେଖିଛନ୍ତି ଏଇ ଯୋଉ ଅଫେନ୍ସ ଗୁଡାକ ଯୋଉ ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ କୋର୍ଟ ନା ଭୁଲ ଲେଖିଛନ୍ତି ତାପରେ ଯୋଉ ଅଫେନ୍ସ ଗୁଡାକ ଡିଲିଟ କରିଛନ୍ତି ଯୋଉଟା କି ଆପଣ ଆଡମିଟ କରିସାରିଲେଣି ଯେ ଟାଇପୋଗ୍ରାଫିକାଲ ଏରର କରି ସେଇଟା ଯଦିଓ କହୁଛନ୍ତି ଆପଣଙ୍କର ଆନ୍ସର ଥିଲା ପ୍ରଥମରେ ବଟ୍ ସିନ୍ସ in the pleading of the election petition, comma, nothing was stated by the election petitioner in that respect, comma, not mentioned it in my written statement. Stop. Yes, ଆପଣଙ୍କର ୟୁଜ ପ୍ରିଡିଂ ରେ ସେ ବିଷୟରେ କିଛି ଉଲ୍ଲେଖ କରୁନାହାନ୍ତି. Yes, Mr. You put the questions.
ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ ଆପଣ ଯୋଉ କଥା କହିଲେ ଇଲେକ୍ସନ ପିଟିସନ ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ ଉପରେ
ଇଲେକ୍ସନ ପିଟିସନ ଦେଖାନ୍ତୁ ପ୍ରିଡିଂ ରେ ଅଛି ବୋଲି election petition kahin
ଆପଣ ଯୋଉ କହୁଛନ୍ତି ତାଙ୍କ ପ୍ଲିଡିଂ ରେ ଯେହେତୁ ଇଲେକ୍ସନ ପିଟିସନର ନଥିଲା ବୋଲିକି ଆପଣ ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ ଲାଷ୍ଟ ଲାଇନ
ଟିକେ ରୁହନ୍ତୁ ମୁଁ ଟିକେ ଦେଖେ ସେ ତାଙ୍କର କହିବା କଥା ଏଇ ଯୋଉ ଏଇ ଏସଡିଜିଏମ ବଦଳରେ ଆମକୁ ଆଉ ଏଇ ଅଫେନ୍ସ ଗୁଡାକ ଆପଣଙ୍କର ପ୍ଲିଡିଂ ରେ ହିଁ ନଥିଲା ସେଥିପାଇଁ ସେ ବିଷୟରେ କେବଳ ଆପଣଙ୍କର ଥିଲା ବାଲିଅନ୍ତା ପୋଲିସ ଷ୍ଟେସନଟା ହଉଛି କଣ ସେ ମେନସନ କରିଛନ୍ତି ଭୁଲରେ କଟକରେ ଯୋଉଟା କି ପ୍ରକୃତରେ ଖୋର୍ଦ୍ଧା ହଁ ଆପଣ ପ୍ଲିଡିଂ ରେ କୋଉ ପାରାଗ୍ରାଫ ରେଫର କରୁଛନ୍ତି ତାଙ୍କୁ ଦେଖାନ୍ତୁ ପ୍ରଶ୍ନ ପଚାରନ୍ତୁ
My lord, may kindly see page 10.
Page 10.
Again. Last two lines.
Last two lines. Okay.
Similarly, the declaration made in column 5-2B, serial number 9 by the respondent about GR case number 680/2012 in the court of SDJM Bhubaneswar is false and misleading declaration. there is no GR case number 680/2012 pending against the respondent in the court of SDJM Bhubaneswar. Rather, a GR case number 680/2012 is pending against the respondent in the court of JMFCO Bhubaneswar.
Yes, Mr.
Further, the
No,
specific pleading
just,
has been
just. It will answer the end. Mr. Mukim, you have seen this particular paragraph of the election petition. Are there some specific pleading ନେଇଛନ୍ତି ଯେ ଆପଣ ଭୁଲରେ ଉଲ୍ଲେଖ କରିଛନ୍ତି ଏଇଟା SDGM ଭୁବନେଶ୍ୱରରେ ପେଣ୍ଡିଂ ଅଛି ଏଇଟା ଫଲ୍ସ ଆଉ ମିସଲିଡିଂ ଡିକ୍ଲାରେସନ ଇନଫ୍ୟାକ୍ଟ ସେ କେସଟା JMFC ଓ ଭୁବନେଶ୍ୱରରେ ପେଣ୍ଡିଂ ଅଛି
ସାର୍
ସୋ
ଏଇଟାକୁ
ଆପଣ
ସାର୍ ଅଲରେଡି ଆମ କାଉଣ୍ଟରରେ ଦିଆହେଇଛି ସାର୍ ଏଟା ଟ୍ରାଫିକାଲ ମିଷ୍ଟେକ୍ କ୍ଲରିକାଲ ଏରର ପାଇଁ ଏଟା ଭୁଲ ହେଇଯାଇଛି ବୋଲି ଦିଆହେଇଛି।
ଆପଣଙ୍କର ରିଟିନ ଷ୍ଟେଟମେଣ୍ଟରେ କହିଲେ ନା ଯେ ଏଇଟା ଏଇଟା ନାହିଁ ବୋଲି ପ୍ଲିଡିଂରେ ଆପଣ ଜଷ୍ଟ ଲେଖିଲି ମୁଁ ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ
ପ୍ଲିଡିଂ ରେ ସାର୍ ମୁଁ କହିଲି ଦଫା ନଥିଲା 379 ବଟ୍ ପ୍ଲିଡିଂ ରେ ଯୋଉଟା ଥିଲା
whatever it may be the ଲେଖନ୍ତୁ the witness
379
bracket ଲେଖନ୍ତୁ the witness was confronted to paragraph number 7 bracket रे capital C page number 10 and 11 and of the election petition and was and the following questions was and the following question is put the witness was not looking is confronted the witness is confronted to paragraph number 7C page number 10 and 11 of the election petition and the following question is put Q lekhandu in the in the paragraph number 7C seta nei asun setu in setu nei asun so of the election petition comma it is specifically mentioned that the declaration you have made in column COLUMN कौन छोड़ा मुझे रखिनी काटून दो पूरा काटून in column 5 bracket रे Roman 2 bracket रे B comma serial number IX नहीं छोटो I Roman X IX हाँ bracket with right by you the declaration you have made in so and so नहीं by you दरकार नहीं about GR case number 680 NO dot oblique 2012 in the court of SDGM Bhubaneswar is false and misleading declaration and that there is no GR case number 680 oblique 2012 pending against you in the court of SDGM Bhubaneswar, comma, rather GR case number 680/2012 is pending against you in the court of JMFC O Bhubaneswar. The witness is confronted to so and so, and the following question is, comma, how do you say, how do we say, how do you say, how do you say that there is no pleading in the election petition in that respect? Yes, answer. ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ କହିଲେ ଯେ କେବଳ ବାଲିଅନ୍ତା पुलिस स्टेशन टा कटक भुवनेश्वर एटा मोर टाइपोग्राफिकल एरर हेतिला केवल एतिकी जिंस से मेंशन करथिले तेणु तार मु रिप्लाई देली जे एटा गोटे टाइपोग्राफिकल एरर थिला बेली बाकी अन्यान्य जिंस से जो पचारुचंती मते ए विषय रे तांकर प्लीडिंग ही नथिला इलेक्शन पिटिशन ने सेति पई मु रिटन स्टेटमेंट रे विषय रे किछि कहिनी किंतु से आपन को कन्फ्रंट करेले वर्तमान जे इनफैक्ट तांकर इलेक्शन पिटिशन ने ए प्लीडिंग रहिछि तेणु आपण जोटा कहउचंती जे प्लीडिंग नथिला एटा ठीक नुहे आपनकर कोन आंसर हबो कोन
Sir, page 45D.
45D of your written statement.
Yes, sir. Similarly, the allegation.
Just 45D. Yes.
Similarly, the allegation made with respect to the declaration made in column 5 IIB serial number IX by the respondent about the GR case number 680/212 pending in the court of SDGM Bhubaneswar instead of court of JMFC Orissa Bhubaneswar is not worth acceptable as because the source of information of the such allegation has not been disclosed by the election petitioner. There is also no allegation made with respect to the
आपण
corresponding.
केवल लेखिले एठी केवल ए को सोर्स रु पाइले सेटा से डिस्क्लोज करना दी एती केवल लेखिले वर्तमान आपण कहले प्लीडिंग रे ही नाही तापरे आपण जो जवाब दउचंदी ता देर लेखिले जे तांकर को सोर्स रु से पाइले ए विषय रे उल्लेख करनांती एवं तळार गु लिखिचंती जे एटा एमती मेंशन करिवा द्वारा ए रिजल्ट ऑफ द इलेक्शन केमिति अफेक्टेड हला से विषय रे मध्य से किछि कहि नांती दैट इज वर्चुअली योर केस किंतु से माने जो कहले ना तांकर एभरमेंट नथिला बेली माने इलेक्शन पिटिशन रे तांकर कहवा कथा जे आमे प्लीडिंग स्पेसिफिक प्लीडिंग अछि बेली तेणु स्पेसिफिक प्लीडिंग आपन को देखैले मध्य आपण कोन उत्तर देबे स्पेसिफिक प्लीडिंग अछि बेली आपण हां कहउचंती ना नाही कहउचंती
Sir, argument sir advocate କହିବେ
the witness answer my advocate only my advocate can only reply the same stop yes
ताहले आपण ए जो कहिले कि इलेक्शन पिटिशनर का प्लीडिंग रे नथला एटा मिछ कथा कहले कोर्ट रे
ନାଇଁ ମୋ advocate କହିବେ ପା ତାକୁ ଠିକ ଅଛି କି ନାହିଁ
एडवोकेट जहाँ कहवा कथा कहिबे से कथा मु पछरनी आपण पूर्वरु जो कहिले कि इलेक्शन पिटिशनर को ए विषय रे इलेक्शन पिटिशन रे प्लीडिंग नथला एटा आपण कोर्ट रे मिछ कथा कहिसन
ନା ମୁଁ ମିଛ କହିପାରିବି ନାହିଁ କୋର୍ଟରେ ବଟ୍ ସେଟା ଏକ୍ସପ୍ଲେନ୍ କରିବେ ମାଇ ଆଡଭୋକେଟ୍ ଡ୍ୟୁରିଂ ଦ ଟାଇମ୍ ଅଫ୍ ଆର୍ଗୁମେଣ୍ଟ
it's not a fact that by no, by stating it is not a fact it is not a
दैट दी
that by stating that there was no pleading in the election petition as pointed out to me in the above question, comma, I have told falsehood in this court. Stop.
ସେମିତି ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ ସେଇ ଇଲେକ୍ସନ ପିଟିସନ ର ପେଜ 11 ରେ sixth line from top. Further, the FIR numbers given in column 52A and corresponding case numbers and the name of the court declared in column 52B and sections of the concerned acts courts involved are false and misleading declaration. This has been specifically pleaded.
ଏଭଳି ସେମାନେ ଉଲ୍ଲେଖ କରିଛନ୍ତି ବୋଲି ଦେଖୁଛନ୍ତି ତ
जो कहले ए सेक्शन विषय स्पेसिफिक प्लीडिंग नथला सेठरे स्पेसिफिक प्लीडिंग अछि section of the concerned act courts involved are false and misleading declaration करिसंती आपण आपनको एफिडेविट स्पेसिफिक प्लीडिंग अछि
इलेक्शन पिटिशनर तार प्लीडिंग नहीं विषय जे आपण जो सेक्शन गुड़ाक उल्लेख करिसेंती एई कलम रे से गुड़ाक फॉल्स आउ मिसलीडिंग डिक्लेरेशन बेली ए विषय उल्लेख करछंती तेणु देयर इज स्पेसिफिक प्लीडिंग से माने क्वेश्चन हाउस से कौन आपनकर उत्तर हबो
ମୋ ଆଡଭୋକେଟ୍ ତାର
ओके ब्रैकेट लिखंतु सेमती नहीं आसंतु से जो विटनेस वाज रेफर्ड टू लिखंतु ऊपर लिख सेटा नहीं आसंतु पूरा हां सेटा को 10 टा काटी दी खाली 11 ऊपर कन्फाइन करन पेज नंबर कर दियंतु पेज नंबर 11 केवल 10 रो किछ नाही हां पेज नंबर 11 एंड द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चन इज पुट क्वेश्चन टिके ब्रैक सेटा देखिले से क्वेश्चन टा केमती स्टार्ट हे जी अच्छा in नहीं आसतु अप टू से पर्यटन नहीं आसतु से पर्यटन नहीं आसतु मुझे बागे दूसरी कॉपी कर दियो हाँ ठीक है जी कॉपी कर नहीं आसतु सेट लेवल इन पैराग्राफ नंबर 7C a पेज नंबर होची 11 of the election petition it is specifically mentioned that
Sections
the
of the
the sections of the concerned acts public codes involved are false and misleading declarations comma सेटा काटी दियो बाकी तो काट दियो तार लास्ट लाइन टा नहीं आसंतु से जो हाउ डू यू से ना कोन हाउ डू यू से that there is no pleading in that respect. Answer is same like the previous one, that my advocate can only reply the same. Yes.
देखो आपन का एविडेंस एफिडेविट
Evidence affidavit. Okay. Which page you are referring to?
पेज 78 में लो
78. Which paragraph?
लास्ट सब para exhibit 27
Okay, exhibit 27. Yes.
देखले
A particular case टा विषय जो
ए
yes. Okay, okay.
पुणे जो लास्ट सब para रे थर्ड लाइन देखो आपण जो कहिले I have mentioned the details of pendency of the said criminal case against me in my affidavit in Form 26, Exhibit 43, 44, 45, and 46 in column 52A6, 52B9, 52C12, as well as furnished related information in column 52D, 52E, 52F, and 52G is not correct.
कौन कहउछन्ती से कहउछन्ती आपण एटा भूल ले लिखिछन्ती आपण एटा आपण जो कहउछन्ती I have mentioned the details of pendency of the said criminal case ये जो सेट क्रिमिनल केस माने बालियंता पीएस केस नंबर 136 डेटेड 24/9/2012 सेटा करेस्पोंडिंग जोटा अछि
या केस नंबर
हाँ
680/2000
सेटा कॉलम नंबर एठी मेंशन करिसेंती एवं तार जहा रिलेटेड इंफॉर्मेशन ताकू ए कॉलम रे देइछंती एटा ठीक नुहे बोली कहउछंती इट्स नॉट ए फैक्ट
My advocate can say.
ओके it's not a fact that in page number 78 of my evidence on affidavit, where I have mentioned that the details of pendency of the said criminal case, bracket रे लिखंतु, GR case number 680 2012, which arises out of, continue, which arises out of Balianta PS case number 136 dated 24/9/2012, bracket ends, against me in my affidavit, in your affidavit. It's not a fact that in so and so of my affidavit, on so and so, where I have mentioned that the details of pendency cases so and so against me in my affidavit, in form number 26, bracket four, exhibit 45 and exhibit 46 in column bracket रे 5 bracket नहीं 5 टा भी bracket अछि हाँ bracket roman 2 bracket रे roman a small a आ गोटे bracket रे vi comma bracket भितर 5 roman 2 bracket रे b for Bombay, bracket रे ix and again 5 bracket रे roman 2 bracket रे small c bracket रे xii as well as furnished related information in column bracket भितर लिखंतु 5 କରନ୍ତୁ out of bracket ଭିତରେ Roman 2 out of bracket ଭିତରେ D comma again 5 2 last टाको D ଜାଗାରେ E କରିଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ତାପରେ ଆଉ ଥରେ କପି କରି ପେଷ୍ଟ କରିଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ସେଟା ହଉଛି F last ହବ D ଜାଗାରେ F ହବ ଆଉ ତାପରେ and ଲଗାନ୍ତୁ and 5 ସେମିତି କପି କରନ୍ତୁ ସେଟା ହଉଛି G ହବ it's not a fact that in page number so and so where I have mentioned comma are not correct and that I have stated falsehood. Stop. My advocate can reply about the same. Stop.
କିନ୍ତୁ ସେଇ ପେଜର ଲାଷ୍ଟ 3ଟା ଲାଇନ ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ 78 ପେଜର
78 page ର last 3ଟା
last 3 line. Exhibit 27 discloses that in the said case ଶ୍ରୀ so and so ଯୋଉ କଥା ଆପଣ ସବୁ ଲେଖିଛନ୍ତି
Pitabas Naik so and so is the informant.
ଏ କଥା ଇଲେକ୍ସନ ପିଟିସନର ଇଲେକ୍ସନ ପିଟିସନରେ ଉଲ୍ଲେଖ ନାହିଁ ଏବଂ ଆପଣ ଆପଣଙ୍କ ଜବାବରେ ବି ଏ କଥା ବିଷୟରେ କିଛି ଲେଖି ନାହାନ୍ତି
Up to ଶେଷ ପର୍ଯ୍ୟନ୍ତ
ଆଜ୍ଞା that entire paragraph
ଆଚ୍ଛା ପଢି ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ଆଉ ଥରେ ପଢି ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ତାପରେ
Exhibit 27 discloses that in the said case Sri Pitabas Nayak, son of late Harmon Nayak of village Hanspal, post office Naharkanta, PS Manchester, district Khurda, is the informant and FIR number 136 dated 24/9/2012 of Balyanta police station itself discloses that the case is connected with a civil case bearing CS number 1099 of 2011 pending before Civil Judge Senior Division Bhubaneswar. The above police case has been registered against 7 persons as accused and at its serial number 7 my name finds place. The FIR also discloses that I was not physically present at the time of occurrence. In order dated 7/12/2015 passed by JMFC Bhubaneswar, it has been mentioned that the accused person serial number 127 are on police bail as per orders of Honorable High Court in BLA PL number 2722 of 2012. In order dated 20th 2022 passed by JMFCO Bhubaneswar, it is mentioned that accused are absent. Issue summons to them fixing on 23/2/2023 for appearance. On perusal of the entire order sheet in GR case number 680/2012 pending in the court of JMFCO Bhubaneswar, it will be abundantly clear that I have not appeared before the court as on 20th 9/2022 since I have not received summons.
ଏ ବିଷୟବସ୍ତୁ ଆପଣଙ୍କର କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚିନ୍ ହଉଛି
My question is neither we have pleaded in
Acha,
our election petition nor he has stated in the
written statement.
So also it is not required to be mentioned in the affidavit. For that he has not mentioned in his affidavit form 26.
ଆଚ୍ଛା ଏ ବିଷୟରେ କଣ କହିବେ ଆପଣ ମିଷ୍ଟର ମୋକିମ ଏ ବିଷୟରେ ଆପଣ ପ୍ରଥମ ଥର ପାଇଁ ଉପସ୍ଥାପନା କରୁଛନ୍ତି ଆପଣଙ୍କର ଏଭିଡେନ୍ସ ଆଫିଡେଭିଟ ରେ ଯୋଉ ବିଷୟରେ ନା ଇଲେକ୍ସନ ପିଟିସନ କିଛି କହିଥିଲା ନା ଆପଣ ଜବାବରେ କିଛି ଉଲ୍ଲେଖ କରିଥିଲେ ଏ ବିଷୟରେ ପ୍ରଥମ ଥର ପାଇଁ ଆପଣ କହିଛନ୍ତି
Sir, my advocate can only see.
Okay. ए विषय आपणकर प्लीडिंग रे थिला कि नहीं आपण कहि परिबे नहीं ए इलेक्शन पिटिशन रो प्लीडिंग रे थिला कि नहीं कहि परिबे नहीं आ आपण जवाब रे विषय लिखि चंदी नहीं मध्ये किछि कहि परिबे नहीं जहा कहिबे आपणकर एडवोकेट कहिबे एया कहउछन तो आज्ञा
Again,
ओके I cannot say whether there is absence of pleading in the election petition. So also in my written statement that I have mentioned in page 78, bracket on the second subparagraph of my evidence on affidavit, that exhibit 27 disclosed that Sri Pittabhas Naik, son of late Harmohan Naik, of village HON'BLE, post Nohara Kanto, NAHARA KANTA,
Nohara
PS Konta acha Nohara Konta, PS Mancheshwar, Dist Khurda is the informant and FIR number 136 dated 24/9/2012 of Balianta police station 24/9/2012 of Balianta police station itself disclosed that the case was connected with civil case bearing C.S number 1099/11 pending before civil judge bracket senior division Bhubaneswar, and that the said police case has been registered against 7 persons as accused, and at its serial number 7, my name finds place, and that the FIR also disclosed that I was not physically present at the time of occurrence, and that in order dated 7/2/2015, 7/12/2015, passed by JMFC O bracket with Bhubaneswar, it was mentioned that inverted comma with a single inverted A, the accused persons SL number, serial number, SL dot NO dot 1 to 7 are on police bails as per orders of Honorable High Court in BLAPL 27222 oblique 12 bracket Roman no, sorry, inverted commas, and that in the order dated 20/9/2022 passed by JMFC O Bhubaneswar, comma, it is mentioned that inverted comma again start, comma, accused are absent, stop, এটা ক্যাপিটাল করো, এটা accused না সেইটা না, হ্যাঁ accused এটা ক্যাপিটাল করো, accused are absent, stop, issue summons to them, stop, না comma, fixing on 23/2/2023 for appearance, last inverted comma and single, and that on perusal of the entire order sheet in GR case number 680 of 2012 pending in the court of JMFC bracket O Bhubaneswar, comma, it would be abundantly clear that I had not appeared before the court as on 20/9/2022 since I had not received summon, stop ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ କଣ ଆରମ୍ଭ ହେଇଥିଲା କେମିତି ସେଣ୍ଟେନ୍ସ ଟା ପଢି ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ଆହୁରି ବ୍ୟାକ୍ କରି ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ଆହୁରି ବ୍ୟାକ୍ କରନ୍ତୁ ପୁରା ଆରମ୍ଭ ଯୋଉ ସେଣ୍ଟେନ୍ସ I cannot say whether so and so there is absence of pleading in the list also in that I have पढ़े some stop नहीं पूरा लास्ट को समझो stop. My advocate can only reply about the same. Stop. The other will continue up. No, ଗୋଟେ ଦିନ ତ କରିବେ ଆପଣ no ଆପଣ ତ ଗୋଟେ ଦିନ ଆପଣ ଦିଆ ହେଲା ନା ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ମାନେ now you have come to now you will get 45 minutes time. Take your food and come and say. Huh? But whole difficulty is that now for this case I have adjourned the entire matter. There is now no advocate. What I will do after lunch if I will adjourn this case? So no, your difficulty, you must also understand the court's difficulty. It's all right if you are if a witness falls ill, the court is or not feeling uncomfortable, the court may adjourn the matter. That's it. But you are also to see that what I will do after lunch, because the council knows that it will continue like the day before. Mr. Uh, Government Advocate, so in the weekly list, the criminal appeals are there. If any of the council is ready, ask him to come at 2 o'clock to argue the matter. One matter has already been finished. If any other council is there, because the witness is feeling uncomfortable, is not, so we'll take up this matter. Yes, Mr. Kanun, what do you say? He's not feeling well now. All right. All right, Lekontu. No, he's having some difficulty.
Tomorrow we are preoccupied in another.
No, one of your, sir, you are not to remain throughout. You can go and come and Mr.
Right. In that matter also, Mr. Vishwan is assisting.
It's all right. No, I'm putting this case to day after tomorrow. There is no problem. So get rid that the same time we'll start at
Yes.
11 o'clock.
Yes, sir.
Rather, you would be fresh, not.
First Friday is my Friday prayer was around 1 p.m. So before 15 minutes, can I?
Okay, we'll do that. Okay. That is the understanding. All right. So, Mr. Just intimate me if any council comes, I will come and do the matter.
Day after tomorrow, whole day.
Day after tomorrow, 11 o'clock, it will be taken out. He has to be left. He has to be left at 12:45. Friday.
Right.
So you mention it. It will be taken off at 11 o'clock. Okay. And please give me message if any council comes. I will come.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am. Display board, it will be display board. It will be displayed that within this is started. So some council.
Any council may.
I'm
Okay.
informing.
One council, one criminal appeal. It will do.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
All.
Quickly list item number 17.